What if a gaming laptop could think for itself? Optimize your performance on the fly and deliver the right balance of speed and efficiency without you touching a single setting. That's exactly what Acer is promising with the Predator Helios Neo 16 AI for 2025. It's a big claim, but does the AI actually make a difference, or is it just another buzzword? Stick around because in this video, we're going to find out if Acer's latest gaming beast is worth your money, or if it's just hype. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest gadgets in simple words and share what really matters. Today we're diving deep into the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI, one of the boldest gaming laptops of 2025. At first glance, the Helios Neo 16 AI looks powerful. The design is unmistakably Predator, with sharp edges, aggressive lines, and a premium metal chassis. But compared to older Predator laptops, this one is cleaner and a little more refined. The matte black finish resists fingerprints, and the illuminated Predator logo on the lid glows subtly instead of screaming for attention. It's still bold, but not over the top. The laptop feels sturdy in the hands, with no flex on the lid or keyboard deck. The hinge is solid and opens smoothly, supporting one-handed opening. Despite its large 16-inch body, the weight is well balanced, making it portable enough for a performance machine. Open it up, and you're greeted by a full-sized keyboard with a new AI-assisted backlight system. The RGB lighting can now adapt automatically to your tasks. For example, when you launch a game, it highlights your WASD and key zones. When you're working, it shifts into a calmer lighting scheme. The keys themselves feel satisfying, with deep travel and responsive actuation, making both gaming and typing enjoyable. The touchpad is large and precise, supporting smooth gestures and inputs. Acer has clearly thought about not just gamers, but also people who will use this for creative work and productivity. Now let's talk about the screen, because this is one of the first big hooks of the Helios Neo 16 AI. Acer has fitted it with a 16-inch mini LED panel that runs at a blistering 250 Hz refresh rate. The resolution is sharp at 2560 by 1600, and the brightness goes beyond 1000 nits for HDR content. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and motion is silky smooth. Whether you're gaming, editing, or watching movies, the experience feels premium. And with slim bezels, the display looks immersive without making the laptop bulky. But here's the real question. Many laptops have higher fresh panels these days, so does the Helios Neo 16 AI stand out? The answer is yes, because Acer is using AI to adjust brightness, refresh rate, and even color temperature based on what you're doing. That means longer battery life when you don't need the full performance and maximum visual quality when you do. It's one of those little things that makes the experience smarter. You notice it after using the laptop for a while. Performance is where this laptop flexes its muscles. Powered by Intel's 15th Gen Core Ultra processors with integrated AI engines. Paired with NVIDIA RTX 50 series GPUs, the Helios Neo 16 AI is a monster. Games run at ultra settings with high frame rates, ray tracing is smoother and AI-powered. Upscaling with DLSS pushes performance even further. For creators, the AI cores assist with rendering, video editing, and 3D modeling, cutting down processing times. Multitasking is fluid, and the laptop handles heavy loads without breaking a sweat. But here's the hook. Every laptop promises performance. The unique thing here is the AI Performance Optimizer. It monitors what you're doing and adjusts CPU, GPU, and fan profiles in real time. If you're just browsing, the system goes quiet and saves battery. The moment you launch a game, it ramps up automatically to deliver maximum power. You don't have to tweak settings manually anymore. That convenience adds real value. Thermals have always been a challenge with high-performance laptops, but Acer's new AeroBlade cooling system with liquid metal solves a lot of it. Even under load, the fans remain quieter than expected, and the heat is directed away from the keyboard area. The laptop stays comfortable to use while delivering consistent performance. Long sessions don't cause throttling, which is a huge win for gamers. Software and features also show how much Acer has leaned into AI this year. Predator Sense has been redesigned with AI-driven recommendations. Instead of you tweaking every setting, the software suggests performance modes, network, optimization, and even display tweaks depending on your activity. It's like having a system assistant built into the laptop. Noise reduction for calls, intelligent fan curves, and adaptive refresh rate management are all tied into this AI framework. Battery life is always a tough topic with gaming laptops, but the Helios Neo 16 SAI does surprisingly well. It's the AI cores managing efficiency. You can squeeze out 7 to 8 hours of mixed use, which is solid for a 16-inch gaming machine. Gaming still drains it fast, but that's expected. The good news is fast charging gets you back to 50% in about 30 minutes. And yes, it supports USB-C charging too. So for light use, you don't need to carry the heavy brick. Gaming performance is next level. The RTX 50 series GPU paired with a UI-assisted cooling and optimization makes sure you're hitting the frame rates you need. Competitive shooters easily cross 200 frames per second at high settings. AAA titles with ray tracing look beautiful and play smoothly. And thanks to DLSS and frame generation, even the heaviest games run with no stutter. For creators, workloads like editing 8K video or running complex 3D renders feel faster and smoother than before. The AI cores help accelerate these tasks, so you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Here's another mini hook worth noting. Plenty of laptops can game well, but very few can switch gears and become productivity machines without wasting power. That's what makes the Helios Neo 16 SAI different. It's not just about brute force. It's about intelligence. Speakers on this laptop are better than before. With a 6-speaker setup tuned for Dolby Atmos, the soundstage is wide, bass is punchy, and vocals are clear. Watching movies or playing games without headphones feels immersive. For creators working on audio, the clarity is good enough for editing without external gear. And if you prefer headphones, the higher Ace audio support ensures great quality through wired or wireless options. Connectivity is excellent. You get multiple USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 5 support, HDMI 2.1, several USB-A ports, an Ethernet port, and even an SD card reader. Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETOOTH 5.4 keep you future-proof for faster connections and lower latency. Acer hasn't cut corners here. Everything you need, whether for gaming setups or creative work, is included. Price and value are where things get tricky. The Helios Neo 16 SAI is a premium laptop, and you're paying for the latest AI integration, high-end hardware, and advanced cooling. It's not cheap, but when you look at what you're getting, a laptop that can adapt, think, and perform across gaming and professional workloads, the value is strong. If you only want a budget gaming laptop, this isn't for you. But if you want a machine that can do everything at a high level, it's worth considering. The pros are clear. Powerful, AI-driven performance, premium design, excellent display, long battery for its class, advanced cooling, and great connectivity. The cons are also worth mentioning. High price, large size compared to slimmer laptops. And the AI features may feel unnecessary to users who prefer manual control. Still, the balance leans heavily toward the positives. The final verdict is straightforward. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 SAI is one of the smartest gaming laptops of 2025. It's not just about raw specs. It's about how those specs are used intelligently to give you the best experience. For gamers, it delivers incredible frame rates. For creators, it handles heavy workloads with ease. And for everyday users, it adapts to save power and stay quiet. If you want a laptop that's powerful, future-ready, and smart, this is one of the best options this year. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews without the fluff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.